Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something very exciting to share with you. A list of 7 amazing drinks that can help detox your kidneys and may even help you avoid dialysis. Imagine waking up every day feeling lighter and cleaner inside your body. Picture a simple drink that not only tastes great, but also works hard to clear out toxins from your kidneys. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because these drinks might just change your life. Before we dive in, if you find our tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It only takes a moment, and it really helps our community grow. We love bringing you simple and easy ways to keep your body healthy, so join us on this journey to better living. Our kidneys play a big role in keeping our body clean and balanced, but sometimes they need a little extra help. These drinks are not magic potions, but they are made from natural ingredients that can support your body's natural detox process. Always remember to check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet. Now, let's get started with our list of drinks, from number 7 to the most important one at number 1. Drink 7. Cucumber and mint water. Let's start with a drink that is as refreshing as a cool breeze on a hot day. Cucumber and mint water is not only delicious, but also works as a gentle cleanser for your body. To make this drink, take a fresh cucumber, wash it well, and slice it into thin pieces. Then, pick a few mint leaves. Make sure they are clean and fragrant. Place the cucumber slices and mint leaves into a jug of clean, cool water. As the water sits, the natural flavors of the cucumber and mint will blend together, giving the drink a crisp taste that is both cooling and revitalizing. Drinking this water throughout the day can help flush out unwanted toxins and support the natural cleaning process of your kidneys. It's an easy and enjoyable way to keep yourself hydrated while giving your body a little extra boost of natural goodness. Drink 6. Lemon and ginger water. Next up is a timeless favorite, lemon and ginger water. This drink has been enjoyed for generations due to its powerful yet natural cleansing abilities. Begin by taking a fresh, juicy lemon and squeezing out its vibrant juice into a glass of water. Next, add a small piece of fresh ginger. You can either grate it or slice it thinly so that its strong, spicy flavor is released into the water. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for a few minutes so that the flavors can mingle together. The tanginess of the lemon combined with the warmth of the ginger creates a delicious drink that not only tastes great, but also helps to kickstart your digestion. This drink is known for its ability to support your body's natural detox process by helping to eliminate toxins from your system. It's a simple, natural remedy that can help you feel refreshed and energized throughout the day. Drink 5. Apple cider vinegar. Drink. Moving on, we have a drink that many people swear by, apple cider vinegar water. This drink is popular because it is easy to make and has many benefits that can support your overall health. Start by taking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This vinegar is made from apples and is known for its natural healing properties. Mix the apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. To balance the strong taste of the vinegar, add about a teaspoon of honey. The honey not only makes the drink taste sweeter, but also brings its own natural benefits to the mix. Stir the drink thoroughly until the honey dissolves completely. This simple drink can help maintain the right pH balance in your body and can support your digestive health. By including this drink in your routine, you give your body a natural boost to fight off toxins and promote a cleaner, healthier system. Enjoying this drink regularly may help you feel more balanced and energized every day. Drink 4. Cranberry juice. Now, let's talk about a drink that not only tastes tangy, but also brings significant benefits to your urinary tract health, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has been loved for generations because it is naturally packed with antioxidants and compounds that help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. To enjoy this drink, opt for a glass of pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. If you prefer, you can dilute it with a little water to soften its natural tartness while still keeping all its healthy benefits intact. Drinking cranberry juice regularly may help your kidneys by keeping harmful bacteria at bay, thereby supporting your overall urinary system. This simple yet effective drink is a delightful way to incorporate natural kidney support into your daily routine. It's a great choice if you're looking for something that tastes good and works hard to help keep your body clean from the inside out. Drink 3, beetroot and carrot juice. Moving on to a drink that's as vibrant in color as it is in benefits. Beetroot and carrot juice. This drink is a powerhouse blend that is not only pleasing to the eye, but also loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for detoxification. To prepare it, start by washing and peeling a fresh beetroot along with a couple of carrots. Cut them into smaller pieces so they blend more easily. Then put them into your blender and add a splash of water to help the process along. Blend until you get a smooth, refreshing juice. Beetroot is well known for its ability to improve blood flow and support liver detox, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene and other nutrients that boost your immune system. Drinking this juice can help your body flush out toxins and provide you with a natural burst of energy. Its naturally sweet flavor, balanced by a hint of earthiness from the beetroot, makes it a pleasant treat for your taste buds while working hard to cleanse your body. Enjoy this drink as a revitalizing start to your day or as a midday boost that contributes to overall health and wellness. It's important to note that while beetroot offers many benefits, it also contains oxalates. Oxalates are natural compounds found in many plants, and in some people they can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. If you are prone to kidney stones or have a history of them, it might be wise to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating beetroot juice into your routine. Drink 2. Green tea. Next, we have green tea, a time-honored beverage known for its refreshing taste and numerous health benefits. Green tea is cherished around the world for its ability to help the body detox naturally. Begin by boiling some water and letting it cool slightly to ensure it isn't too hot, which could harm the delicate leaves. Once your water is ready, add a green tea bag or a teaspoon of loose green tea leaves into your cup. Allow the tea to steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, letting the rich, earthy flavor develop. This gentle brew is packed with antioxidants, which are natural compounds that help protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants in green tea, known as catechins, work to reduce inflammation and support your overall well-being. Sipping on green tea throughout your day can not only give you a calm moment to relax, but also help support your body's natural detox process. Enjoy it warm or let it cool down with a few ice cubes for a refreshing iced tea experience. Green tea is a simple yet effective way to help your body stay healthy, offering both taste and natural cleansing benefits in every cup. Drink 1. Dandelion root tea. Finally, our top recommendation is dandelion root tea, a natural herbal remedy that has been used for many generations to support kidney health. Dandelion root tea is known for its potent detoxifying properties and its ability to help cleanse the body naturally. To prepare this tea, start with dried dandelion roots, which are widely available in health food stores. Bring a cup of water to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer. Add a teaspoon or 2 of the dried root into a tea infuser, or directly into the water if you prefer to strain it later. Let the dandelion root steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the water to absorb all its beneficial compounds. The resulting brew has a slightly bitter, earthy taste that many find soothing and unique. Regularly drinking dandelion root tea can help boost your body's natural detox mechanisms by encouraging the elimination of toxins and excess fluids. It supports not only kidney function, but also overall liver health, making it a powerhouse drink in your journey towards a healthier life. Remember to enjoy this tea as part of a balanced lifestyle and consider consulting with a healthcare professional to ensure it suits your dietary needs. And there you have it, a complete guide to these 7 incredible drinks that support kidney detox and overall wellness. We hope you enjoyed discovering these natural, easy-to-make beverages and learned how they can play a part in keeping your body clean and energized. Remember, incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can be a delicious way to support your health, but always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. If you found these tips useful, Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from a natural detox boost. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple, science-backed health tips that can help you live your best life. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to bring you more easy-to-follow advice for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and well-being. Cheers to a cleaner, revitalized you.